collaging fireworks.
Sharon and Jamal are going to be making a box firework using cut up kitchen rolls and other various collage materials, and me and Marnie are going to be making sparklers and a Catherine wheel, also using lots of variety of collage materials. Let's put some. Do you want to squeeze some glue into here? Yeah, like this.
You squeeze the bottle. What have you made, Jamal? What did we make today? Sparkler! Well done!
And we've made what's this one? It's a Catherine wheel. It's a firework that goes really fast, round. But do we
It does.
go near the fireworks, children? We stand really far back and we let the adults do the fireworks, don't we? Yeah? We need to be very, very careful. Wear gloves when you hold your sparklers, okay?
And only one sparkler at a time. Just one sparkler with gloves on.
Yes.
And hold it away from your face and do not wave it in front of other people.
And our
Okay.
mummies and daddies and adults that light the fireworks should never go back after lighting one.
Never. Okay? We have to be careful when we go to a bonfire, don't we? Don't go near the bonfire, we stay way back from the bonfire. Yeah, Jamal?
Very hot.
Yeah, we don't go near the bonfire. Okay, and if we've got any animals, like cats or dogs, then we need to keep them inside. Hope you enjoyed watching our video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe,
And we hope you have a very safe and enjoyable bonfire night.
bye!